Not to be trusted in the state of. Before our thoughts were worth less than a dime, our granny sent prayers that transmit to the sky. This ain't what you wanted for me, please don't cry. Swimming up, center analytics, keep an eye on that. How we forecast, feeding my village for a DoorDash. Your sent to protect you was on the warpath. No matter who you pray to, you can't ignore that. If it costs you your state of mind, I pray you don't get left behind. Left behind. Pray, don't worry, what a waste of time. I pray you don't get left behind.
በእጆች ደግፈኝ እንዳልወድ ሰማሁኝ ድምፅ